This is how to find and delete all viruses and malware on your iPhone. The easiest way to tell is your phone starts slowing down for no reason, stuff starts acting weird, certain things don't work anymore. Stuff like that can be caused by viruses or malware. And you should also know that the Apple iOS is built very securely, so the likelihood of getting a virus or malware is very slim, but it can still happen. Before we get started, consider liking and subscribing because it really helps the channel and I really appreciate it. So the first thing we're going to do is clear the data from the Safari app because most malware and viruses come from websites while you're browsing the internet. So let's hop into the settings. Let's scroll down all the way to apps. You can tap on the S over here or scroll down to the S section, then tap on Safari. Then scroll down all the way down. Go to Advanced, tap on Website Data, and here's going to be all kinds of website data. It shows which website the data came from and how much data there is. And these are all pretty reputable things, even though this one, it might be an Amazon site or it might be somebody trying to spoof an Amazon site. Not sure. But either way, you don't need to go through this list and see what you like and what you don't like. Just go to the very bottom and tap on Remove All Website Data, and then Remove Now. That's going to delete all that information. Now, if there's any malware hiding in there, that's going to be deleted as well. If we scroll up, if we go back one menu item and then scroll up, we see here a fraudulent website warning. You want to make sure that's turned on. Not secure connection warning, we can turn that on too. Highlights, not sure what that's highlighting, but let's turn that on. This is the privacy and security section for Safari. So if you want to be the most private and secure, you want to make sure all of these are turned on. So that's step one, clearing your Safari data. Step two is checking out the Files app on your phone because bad websites and bad actors will sometimes download files into your Files folder on your phone. I find it tricky to find, so I usually come to the Spotlight search and start typing in files. Then I find it. Let's open that. Let's go all the way back to the front end. I have my downloads folder as a favorite here, but if you don't have it there, it's probably under on my iPhone. So tap into there and be downloads folder here. I've got to access it through this tab. And this is where things can be downloaded onto your phone without you even knowing it, which is kind of scary. If you see anything in here that you don't recognize, especially PDF files or zip files, then you want to make sure you delete them. You can delete them by tapping on the three dots up here. Tap on Select. You select whichever one you want to delete, and then tap the trash can down at the bottom here. And that gets rid of that file. And if you're unsure, just look at the file and see if it's something you want to keep. If you don't want to keep it anyway, just delete it. Even if you recognize it, just to make stuff clean. Okay, so that's step number two. Step number three is updating your operating system. So let's go back into the settings. Let's go all the way out to the main app area, scroll up to General, and then tap on Software Update. And here we have an update to a new version of the iOS. And you see right here, bug fixes and security updates for your phone. Sometimes malware and viruses infect iPhones. It happens from time to time. But then Apple's notified, and then they release security fixes or bug fixes and security patches to make sure that virus or malware can't do or can't continue to do what it was doing on your phone. So you always want to make sure that you update to the latest iOS. Something else you can do, a bonus tip, step number 4, is you can come back out of here. You can go into your Apple account. Go into your iCloud account if you have one. I only have a free one, but a free one gives up to 5 gigs, so it might be enough space. But here, you want to make sure you're backing up to iCloud, which this phone currently is, but here it says it can't be, not enough space, wants me to upgrade. I'm not going to upgrade right now. But if you suspect that there's a virus or malware on your phone, you might want to upgrade and then back up your phone because it's going to back up your photos, your drive, passwords, notes, messages, mail, anything else? Bunch of things. All these things on this list. It's not going to save malware and virus files. That's not part of the backup list for iCloud. So you're going to be backing up all the important data, and then you can restore your phone to a new version of an iOS, or you can even factory reset it and then bring your data back in from iCloud. And then your phone should be clean. If you are a little afraid of doing that or don't want to do that yourself, you can always go to an Apple store. They can plug your phone in, run some diagnostics, and hopefully find out what's wrong and help you fix it right there in the store. I hope you got value from this video. If you can, like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. It really helps the channel. And then check out this video right here, which shows you how to empty the trash bins on your iPhone. Part of routine maintenance is making sure the trash is empty. So make sure you check out that video, and I'll see you there.